In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test automations in Activecampaign, a fantastic tool that helps businesses enhance their marketing strategies. We'll be exploring how to get started with setting up and running an A/B test, ensuring your campaigns achieve the best possible results. So without further ado, let's dive right in. To begin, we need to head over to the Activecampaign website. Open up your internet browser and navigate to their homepage by typing in www.activecampaign.com. This platform offers a suite of tools to effectively manage your marketing efforts, so if you're not already signed up, you might want to explore all the rich features they offer. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button prominently displayed on the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your account details. Here, type in your unique account name. Make sure it's the correct one that you use for Activecampaign, and then proceed by clicking on the login button. This will take you directly into your dashboard where you can access all your current projects and settings. From within your account interface, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the automations option and click on it. This section houses all your automated workflows. Once you're in, proceed to click on Create an Automation. This is where the magic happens as you start setting up new processes for your marketing campaigns. Next, in the search bar, type A/B to filter the automation recipes available. You're particularly looking for the customer win-back A/B split recipe. When you find it, click on it. This template is designed specifically for split testing, allowing you to experiment with various approaches to see which one yields the best results. After selecting it, you'll notice an option to continue. Click on that and you'll advance to the next stage. Though the platform offers to guide you through a setup, for this instance, let's click on Skip Setup so we can focus on the essentials for A/B testing. At this point, your automation is almost ready. You have the flexibility to edit the automation and tailor it to suit your needs. You might want to tweak email content, adjust timing, or set different conditions to identify what really resonates with your audience. Once you are satisfied with your setup, you can activate your automation by simply clicking Active. This will initiate the A/B testing process according to your configurations. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an A/B test in Activecampaign. By testing different strategies, you'll gather insightful data that can significantly improve your automation efforts and drive better results for your campaigns. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in demystifying the process of A/B testing with Activecampaign. Don't forget to check back for more tutorials on maximizing your marketing tools. Happy testing!